Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is a review of the Rustler Banjo by Fender. The Rustler is a guitar-style banjo, a gitjo, a banjo-tar. It's a guitar that sounds like a banjo, or if you prefer, a banjo that plays like a guitar. Either way, we have a mahogany closed back, 24-piece bracket. That means more to the banjo players than it does us guitar players. Can't see it, but inside there is a rolled brass tone ring with chrome plating. It has a mahogany neck with a 22-fret rosewood fingerboard. Fender style acoustic headstock shape with die-cast tuners. The nut is synthetic bone, and the bridge is maple with a rosewood tip. Don't expect to use this instrument to cover bluegrass licks. Those finger rolls have baffled you when you try to banjo are even tougher on the Rustler. But if you need some banjo sounds in the background of a folky song, or if you want a deeper sound for your Dixieland strumming, or you'd like to start your own death metal bluegrass band. This is the instrument for the job. Setup on an instrument like this is crucial. The bridge on a banjo is flat, there's no accommodations for intonation, and it's also movable. If it's a millimeter out of the perfect compromise position, nothing will be in tune. I got to have this one set up by my favorite banjo picker, Junior Williams. Check in the description for a link to his band, Newtown. A regular 5-string banjo to compare it to, but this might actually be better. This is a tenor banjo. It's only got 4 strings. I've tuned it to the same intonation as a guitar. My daughter likes to say about certain situations, it is what it is. If you'd like to sort of play banjo but don't want to take the time to learn, this will give you a lot of the same sound. If you'd just like to try something new, a different sound, this is definitely a different sound. The neck handles really well. It feels sort of like a small acoustic neck. When it gets a little high off the strings up toward the octave, I would definitely take it to a banjo repair person if you wanted to adjust it or set up differently. It's a well-made, solid instrument, definitely worth the money, which list price for is $599.99, $600, or $445 at my favorite local shop, the Doo-Wop Shop, here in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been a review of the Rustler Banjo by Fender. Thank you for watching.